Ooh, got the hood struts. Remember that? Yeah, the red line hood struts. Now, obviously, you see the lights here, but let's actually, you know what? I think it's just that easy. I think it's right there. So these are the bulbs. Let's see if you can see in there. Just an incandescent bulb. And I want to say, let me turn this light on here. If you guys can see that, but right there. So obviously the bulb is like right here, and I'm pretty sure that's it. So let's just probably turns, I'm guessing. And the wiring harness is tight. Will it pop off there? I was wondering if I should take that little clip out. Oh, it pops out. It is tight though. Like super tight. So, you know what? Let's turn the lights on and let's see what it looks like with the regular bulbs now. So we can do a comparison. See what they look like. I mean, they don't look bad, you know. Guys hate those incandescent bulbs on for some reason. You know, let's see how easy it is to get to this passenger side one. Oh yeah, it's the same. Same thing. Easy. Let's see, this turn down. Oh, this one turns down, which makes it even easier. All right, so let's change one. Let's change the driver's side, and then let's see if there's a difference. All right, well, we got that sun peeking over right there, so it's going to be kind of a pain, but I mean, I'm not sure if the camera could pick it up, but those LEDs, they are brighter for sure. They're definitely brighter. You know, it almost seems like they're a little teeny bit faster, but I don't know, maybe that's just how it looks. Like I said, the incandescent doesn't look bad, but the LED definitely is brighter. But we'll see. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna see how it looks like and when it gets dark, and then we're going to switch the other one out and compare. Well, I guess we'll just see how they look in the dark. But let's wait till sun goes down. All right. Well, if you were curious as to what the difference looks like, I mean that's a pretty dramatic difference right there. Oh, the stupid light keeps turning on here. But on the left, you got the incandescent, and on the right, you got the LED from Lasfit. So I'm gonna say that is a lot brighter. Honestly, I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it is way brighter. So the look is the same, definitely difference in brightness. So let's switch the other one out and then take a look. All right, well, there it is. For those of you that despise incandescent bulbs, that's what the LEDs look like. They are super bright, man.